If you've ever opened up Blender and noticed a missing face or an open hole in your mesh, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fill holes in Blender quickly and cleanly. This is one of those basic modeling skills that can save you a ton of time, whether you're fixing an accidental gap, cleaning up imported models, or just making sure your mesh is fully closed before rendering or exporting. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Blender tips and beginner-friendly tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, select your object in Blender and press Tab to enter Edit mode. This is where you can actually modify the geometry of your model. Once you're in Edit mode, press 2 on your keyboard to switch to Edge Select mode. This makes it much easier to work with the edges around the hole you want to fill. Now, select the edges surrounding the opening. If you want to do this quickly, hold Alt and click on one of the edges to select the full edge loop or boundary around the hole. That's a fast way to grab the entire opening without selecting each edge one by one. Once the boundary is selected, press F on your keyboard to create a single face. This is the fastest way to fill a hole in Blender, and it works great for simple openings. Just keep in mind that this can create an n-gon, which is a face with more than 4 sides. In many cases, that's fine, especially for small gaps, but if you want a cleaner topology, there's a better option. For holes with an even number of vertices, use Grid Fill. To do that, select the edge loop around the hole, then press Ctrl+F and choose Grid Fill from the menu. Grid Fill creates a much cleaner structure by filling the hole with a grid of quads instead of one large flat face. This is especially useful when you care about clean topology for subdivision, animation, or later edits. If you want a quick global fix for smaller openings across the model, you can also go to Mesh, then Cleanup, then Fill Holes. This option scans the mesh and fills in openings automatically, which is great when you have multiple missing faces and want Blender to handle them in one step. So, to recap, press Tab to enter Edit mode, switch to Edge Select with 2, select the hole boundary, press F for a fast single face, use Grid Fill for cleaner quad-based results, or use Fill Holes from the Cleanup menu for a quick automatic fix. That's how you fill missing faces in Blender in just a few simple steps. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Blender tutorials just like this one.